What are your favorite love crystals? My name is Sheila from Satin Crystals, and today we are discussing the top 7 love crystals and how to tell their energies apart. Thank you for liking this video, for subscribing to our channel so you do not miss out on all of your upcoming crystal healing videos. So now let's discuss love crystals. What are love crystals? So love crystals in crystal healing are mostly green or pink crystals. And that is because our heart chakra vibrates with pink and green colors. So using love crystals at the heart chakra helps to open and balance this area. The heart chakra, as you can imagine, flows into your heart through your chest and out through your back. So you want to make sure that there's no obstacles in your heart chakra so you can best give and receive love energy. Now we are going to go over the top 7 love crystals and how you can tell their energies apart. Now this is according to Satin Crystals' point of view. Of course, everybody vibrates differently, so you may have a different interpretation of each of these 7 crystals, and we would love to hear your thoughts and your experiences on them as well. As for our point of view, we start off with Rose Quartz, and Rose Quartz is a very all-encompassing kind of love energy. It's kind of like a cloud of love, just a soft, sweet energy filling the room, filling your aura, filling your heart with love for humanity, for the world, for the universe, for yourself, for others. It is an all-encompassing love energy. Rhodonite is a love crystal that we use for more focused energy of self-love and for strengthening the bonds of friendship. So whereas Rose Quartz was a soothing, all-encompassing kind of love, Rhodonite is a much more focused stone, and it is particularly working at your self-esteem, your self-confidence, so that you can better connect with the friends and your acquaintances and even some love relationships, but mostly just improving yourself so that you can connect well with the others around you. So this is what we use Rhodonite for. Rhodochrosite is a love crystal which we use to attract our soulmates. And soulmates does not have to be just one soulmate for your whole life kind of deal. It is any soulmate who comes into your life to help you progress, teaches you lessons, and lets you move on forward in your life. So this could be a friend who comes in briefly, makes a big impact, and then they disappear or your relationship dissolves. It could be a lover who you have a passionate relationship with, but then that ends and fizzles out. But you have gained all of these new lessons, so you know what to do next time when you go into these relationships. So Rhodochrosite is particularly great at accessing this universal energy, bringing and attracting your soulmates into your life. Whereas Rhodonite is relating to the people that are already around you in your life. Rhodochrosite is a higher energy love crystal. The last of the pink stones in the top 7 is ruby. So ruby is a love stone that we use for more of a grounding energy. So it grounds your heart chakra energy to your root, rooting it down into this earth so that you have a more realistic expectation of love rather than the idealistic fantasies that you might see on TV. You know and you appreciate when you have love around you and you feel gratitude towards this love so that you are balanced. You know that fairy tales are just fairy tales. You can interpret what your life is as a fairy tale or not. So ruby is great for this grounding, common sense kind of love, but it is still a very royal stone, so it can enhance your heart chakra, strengthen it, all that you ever desired. Now we come to the green love crystals, and the first one that we will discuss is Malachite. Malachite in our crystal healing world is used to cleanse out the heart chakra. It's a very aggressive energy. So it'll bring up all the traumas and blockages in your heart that you have been avoiding so that you can deal with them. And so this is a stone that you might want to use in conjunction with a more soothing energy like rose quartz. If you're not quite ready for it, it might be a little overwhelming. Malachite is a very getting to the point, digging up all of those emotions that you're not ready to deal with, but it's time to deal with kind of stone for your heart chakra. Then we have the trendy Moldavite crystal. And Moldavite is kind of a next step love crystal to Malachite. Once you have dealt with all those emotional blockages in your heart chakra, Moldavite is a great one for transforming your life. So turning it around to a new, fresh direction. Moldavite has a much higher vibration than Malachite. It is dealing with your higher self and getting back on the path of what you came here on earth to accomplish. So Moldavite is a very popular love crystal to transform your life where you might have been stuck before. The last of the top 7 love crystals that we are discussing today are emeralds. So emerald is sort of like ruby, where it has that great history of admiration and beauty and has been used for love for many, many centuries. Emerald is the stone for everlasting love. It is an unconditional kind of love. It is for loyalty and commitments. So emerald is great once you have unblocked everything, you have transformed your life around, and you are ready to make those commitments to love, to your self-love, and to love of others, and love of humanity, love of universe, all encompassing love comes down to the love of emeralds. Those are the top 7 love crystals and how we use them here at Satin Crystals. As I said in the beginning, your experiences may be different with each of these stones, and we would love to hear how you use these love crystals. If you need any of these love crystals in your life, make sure to head on over to Satin Crystals. We have all kinds of pink and green stones for your heart chakra. Just look under the intentions tab and there you will find love crystals. And we also have it by chakra for heart chakra. We also have a lot more information about each of these stones, as this was just a brief overview. We have information about the stones, we have information about the heart chakra, and we have a lot of information about love crystals as well. Make sure to join the Satin Crystals VIP Club. Email and SMS, we send out crystal healing information every single week. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you always for spreading your love energy into our universe.